Well guys, today's class will be about drawing beautiful seaside with palm trees, and I'm gonna show you how to use my own custom brushes that I created from two sets. And so this is my reference pictures, that's my tracings, and probably we can start. I'll just minimize the size. And in the end, after that, I will show you how to create an amazing composition from our painting. So let's start. We need to be on a new layer that is underneath our texture paper. And now I want to start with probably with the sky here. And for that, I will use my Bow Transparent watercolor. So let's start. So after that, I go to my blending tool and I will grab my Bow Blender watercolor. And as you might see, it blends really nicely and so natural. So cool. Now we will move to the next mountain that is blue, and I'm gonna use the other brush that is Bow Main watercolor. I don't want to make it too dark, so I'm gonna blend the edges. As I did here. And next we have the darkest color. Probably I'll make it more purplish. Same brush. Bow Blender watercolor once again, because I have the other blender which is Bow Gentle Blender watercolor, so this one is slightly different. The next step, we'll take a dark, deep green color. And still same brush. So after that we will add some details like trees. Thin watercolor, and now we are ready to draw a palm tree. Same. Okay, great. Now let's add some shades. Where's my Bow Main watercolor? Yep, it's here. Same brush. I won't go to my Gentle Bow Transparent Watercolor Red. I also want to show you one trick. If you want to add like leaves to your trees. I have a bow trees and gonna control the size. Just add the tree somewhere here. So I'll do same here. Bow transparent. Well, I do like that. Great. And now I'm gonna grab my Bow Eucalyptus Light watercolor and I want to show the edges. And the last step. So that's it. Now we will turn off our reference picture. Our tracing is already turned off. You might see that here, so we don't have it anymore. Now we move our paint into the middle. And now I want to show you how to create a beautiful composition from that. And the first thing that we need to do, we'll move to our selection tool and after we'll put an ellipse. And now we need to draw and after when we choose it, we need to press invert. And now 3 fingers down and cut. That's it. And now here, like from these edges, we can blend the edges slightly. That's our beautiful installation. I do like this painting. And guys, one more trick that I want to show you. You will press a magic wand and after hue, saturation and brightness, and I want to saturate it slightly. Yep, make it more bright, make it visible. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope my class was useful for you and see each other later.